Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring a recent backup, because switching accounts can affect iCloud data. Open Settings, tap your name, and confirm iCloud backup completed. This protects photos and documents. Once done, sign out of the current Apple ID. This disconnects iCloud, FaceTime, and iMessage. Make sure you have the new Apple ID credentials and device access for two-factor authentication. You will need them to sign in cleanly. This prevents accidental data loss and speeds the switch. Now sign into the new Apple ID in Settings. Tap Sign into your iPhone and enter the new email and password. You will see prompts asking to merge or replace iCloud data. Choose Merge if you want to combine local device items with the new account, or Replace to use the account's cloud state. Once you enter credentials, expect a two-factor prompt. Enter the code sent to a trusted device or phone number. Make sure purchased apps and subscriptions align with the new account before proceeding. Finish by verifying all services now show the new Apple ID. Open App Store, iCloud Settings, FaceTime, and Messages. Reauthorize any subscriptions tied to the previous account and reconfigure family sharing if applicable. If an app or purchase still shows the old account, sign out of that service and sign in again. If something fails, sign out of the device completely, restart, and retry the sign-in process. That often fixes sync or authentication hangs. Keep your backup until you confirm every.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.